This is my 2-year-old son's Ruger 1022. My brother-in-law, Elliot's godfather, gifted him this rifle on his very first Christmas. The Green Acre is yet again teaming up with Boyd's Hardwood Gunstocks to add some character to this iconic but, truthfully, bleak-looking rifle. Ruger has developed 11 different 1022 models, this one being the original semi-automatic carbine, which has been in production since 1964. The aftermarket is so prolific with this rifle that a complete one can be built without using a single Ruger-made component. This is the perfect rifle for my children to learn the basics of firearm safety with. A .22 caliber rifle has low report and low recoil, making it an excellent choice for new shooters. In my previous video with Boyd's, we swapped the synthetic stock on my 30-06 with one of their @1 thumbhole hardwood Gunstocks. Since then, I've had the pleasure of taking that rifle on a few target shooting trips, as well as harvesting a Wisconsin 8-pointer last gun season. I can speak from experience now and tell you that the @1 thumbhole Gunstock has forever changed the way I interact with that rifle. The vertical ergonomics create a more natural and comfortable grip on your rifle, especially in prone shooting positions. Accurate shooting begins with a user's comfort behind the trigger. I love this stock so much that Boyd's has sent us another one for my son's 1022. This is a Boyd's @1 thumbhole Gunstock and Coyote laminate that's been milled out to precisely fit the Ruger 1022. This stock allows for complete control over the fit of your rifle with adjustable comb and butt pads. The thumbhole allows for better control over the rifle's trigger as well as a more solid grip on the rifle. Boyd's was kind enough to include a beaver tail forearm grip, which provides a more stable resting point for target shooters and hunters alike due to its flared design. The forearm is also constructed of a rubberized material that enhances your grip and control over the rifle. In just a matter of minutes, the forearm can easily be swapped out. Now that our new stock is set up and ready to go, I'm going to proceed with removing the barreled action from our rifle to drop into its new home. Oh, that feels good. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll put a link to Boyd's website in the description below. I would encourage you to go check it out. They carry a wide range of different stocks for a multitude of different rifles. Quality products. This is my second stock from Boyd's, obviously, and I very much so enjoy the one that I put on my 30-06, and I'm positive my son and I will enjoy this one as well. Thank you all again for watching, and we'll see you in the future. Bye.